In this video, we are going to make a realistic golf ball in Blender. Delete the default stuff and then add icosphere. Make the number of subdivisions to 4. Add a subdivision surface modifier and then click on Apply. Press Tab to go to Edit mode. Click on this point and then select Shift+G and then select Amount of adjacent faces. Then press Delete and then dissolve vertices. Do the same for all these points. Press A to select entire model and then press I. Press I again if it doesn't work the first time. Set the offset by moving the cursor. Press S to scale and then push inwards. Press the Tab button to exit Edit mode and then add Subdivision Surface Modifier. And increase Levels Viewport to 4 or 5. Apply it and then right-click to Shade Smooth. By going into Material Properties, we can add any color we want to the model. And we are done. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.